The ocean's golden secret, a future gold rush? Imagine a world where we could extract gold directly from the ocean. Sounds like science fiction, right? But the truth is, our oceans hold a staggering amount of dissolved gold. The question is, can we ever get to it? The sheer volume of gold hidden within our oceans is mind-boggling. While the concentration is incredibly low, the total amount is estimated to be around 20 million tons. This has sparked dreams of underwater gold rushes and technological breakthroughs. Unfortunately, current technology makes extracting this gold economically unviable. The energy and resources required far outweigh the value of the gold recovered. But what about the future? Gold isn't just found on Earth. It's a cosmic element forged in the heart of exploding stars. Supernovae and neutron star collisions are the cosmic foundries where gold atoms are created. These events scatter gold throughout the universe, eventually finding its way to planets like ours. This stellar origin makes gold a truly precious and rare element. Every gold ring, every gold coin, carries with it the story of a cataclysmic cosmic event. It's a tangible piece of the universe's history. Beyond its cosmic origins, gold possesses unique properties that make it highly valued. It's incredibly resistant to corrosion, making it ideal for jewelry and electronics. Gold is also highly malleable and ductile, meaning it can be easily shaped and drawn into wires. Did you know that gold is edible? While not particularly nutritious, gold leaf is sometimes used to decorate food. Its inert nature means it passes through the body without being absorbed. While current technology falls short, advancements in nanotechnology and materials science could change the game. Imagine microscopic robots selectively extracting gold from seawater, or new materials that efficiently bind to gold ions. The challenges are immense, but the potential rewards are even greater. Unlocking the ocean's golden secret could revolutionize the global economy and reshape our understanding of resource management. What do you think? Will we ever mine gold from the sea? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Click the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. Share this video with your friends, and let's discuss the future of gold mining together.